Evening, everyone. My name is Cherlynn and I'm here with my partner Tendai Tangirwa. We are going to be taking you through the tools listed, which are WAPITI, which is an ethical hacking tool which assesses vulnerability of websites, and forensic acquisition of websites, which is a digital forensics tool. Okay, so the first step is we are going to start up our Metasploitable. We're going to log into Metasploitable. From Metasploitable, we want to obtain the IP address because we are going to assess the vulnerability of the Metasploitable website using WAPITI. So to obtain the IP address, we are going to type in ifconfig. So the IP address is in the line which starts with IMET address. So the IP address is 192.168.178.130. We're going to copy this so that we can use it in our WAPITI. Now we are logging into Kali Linux. So username is Kali and the password is Kali. So once we have logged into Kali Linux, we're going to go to the Home tab and then the Vulnerability Analysis tab, Web Application Analysis, Web Vulnerability Scanners, and then we're going to click on WAPITI. So when you open WAPITI, it takes you to the help page, which shows you the various options for commands for the scans that you can undertake. So we're going to type in bash -a so that it keeps a history of the commands that we run. We're going to enter the IP address that we obtained from Metasploitable. So we're going to assess the vulnerability of the Metasploitable login page. So this is the command that we write. So our IP address from Metasploitable 192.168.178.130, and then we write login. So WAPITI has started the vulnerability scanning, and the reports are being saved. So it tells you where your reports are going. So in this instance, it's going to home Kali WAPITI scans, and then we can open the folder. Just to show you where the reports are going. So because it's already scanning, it's going to be populating the reports for the various vulnerability scans. Okay, so it has run those reports. Okay, so now we have seen the reports that have been produced for the metasploitable login page. We're going to go back and run a vulnerability scan for another website. In this instance, we're going to use the Econet website. So it's taking a bit of time because of the network connection, because we're using the internet. So the scanning of the Econet website is taking time, but it is already populating the vulnerability reports. So when we go back to our folder where it's storing the reports, we're going to see that it has now populated. It has now started populating reports for Econet as well. So these are the reports written www.econet.co.zw. Okay, now to the second part. We're doing the digital forensics acquisition of websites. So it's starting up, and then we're going to log in. So we're going to enter a case ID and then the detective. It takes us to the home page. So this is not an open access tool. So we are not able to demonstrate other functionalities due to licensing issues, but we are going to acquire evidence from WhatsApp. So you click on WhatsApp, and then it prompts you to connect the WhatsApp on your phone. Okay, network issues. So once it's connected to the WhatsApp, we're going to click on to put it in acquisition mode or F10. And then we prompt it to acquire information from the WhatsApp using F12 or acquire. So it starts acquiring evidence from the WhatsApp, and this tab shows us the progress. So for this tool, once it's done acquiring evidence, it automatically takes us to the folder where the evidence is stored. So it takes snapshots of the initial landing page for WhatsApp, and then it's going to take the profile pictures of everyone on that thread, and it's also going to take snapshots and the timestamps of the messages for each individual on the WhatsApp page. So it has taken us to the folder where the evidence is. So in the evidence that has been obtained from WhatsApp, for the sake of time, we're just going to show you 3 things. So in the objects folder, FAW has captured the profile pictures of the people on the WhatsApp landing page. So that's one of the profile pictures. And then we're going to show you what else FAW has extracted as evidence in its lookup, where it is showing us the IP address of WhatsApp web. And then the WHO is, it has extracted information about WhatsApp, the domain ID with the server, website, the physical, the domain administrator, the physical address. Yeah, it extracts all that information as well, the phone number, the administrator information. Yes. So all this has been extracted by the FAW tool. So we've come to the end of our presentation. Thank you for your attention. More detail will be available in the lab manual we're going to submit with the video.